Aw, it's so cute. All right, inside we have our unicorn hot cocoa. I am super excited about this. Unicorn hot cocoa, magical white chocolate cocoa with rainbow marshmallows and confetti sprinkles. I bet that is absolutely amazing inside of a cup, and I can't wait to give this a try. Ingredients, read this, right? It says pure joy, sparkles, and magic. The sound of pine cones underfoot, baby giggles, puppy breath, I'm not sure about that one, fresh rain, milk powder, white chocolate powder, sugar, white chocolate chips, and then it goes on into the rest of the ingredients. Now tell me that Loblolly is not like the most creative local resource in the town. So Loblolly unicorn hot chocolate. And also inside this box, I have s'mores kit, 2 Markham & Fitz chocolate pieces, and 2 jumbo vanilla marshmallows, which if you've had their marshmallows, you know is insanely delicious. So soft, so spongy, and perfect texture. And then 4 house-made graham crackers. So we're gonna open this up too. So there is s'mores. And then the one thing that I have been waiting for, like dying to have in-house, is the rainbow s'mores kit. Yeah. So this one serves up to 4 people. It has 4 jumbo Loblolly rainbow marshmallows. Oh my gosh. 4 Markham & Fitz chocolate squares. And then 8 house-made graham crackers. So, and I'll obviously have a couple in here. We're gonna be doing some damage out. Yeah, we're gonna damage out some products so we get to enjoy it. But let me open these up and let's see what's inside the boxes. I can smell the vanilla. They're so soft. And opening up our grams. Play-by-play, that's what it is, right? And I've got a couple of little trays. These are nice heat-resistant aluminum trays that I can safely torch my marshmallows on. We'll put the broken one on the bottom. I already broke it. And marshmallow on top. I'm gonna go ahead and pull a chocolate square out just so I make sure I'm ready to go. The marshmallow is huge. When they say jumbo marshmallows, they mean it. I feel so special breaking into the seal for the chocolate too. All right, so I'm gonna set it over here on my other gram to have it ready. And then let's torch this baby. I love the smell of brulee, and these marshmallows definitely have that. I have fire. I've got flame. It's starting to ooze over the top. And then top it with our oh so delicious graham. Now, like I said, you can totally put this in the oven. Oh my gosh, I just drooled. I haven't had lunch yet, so this is, oh yeah. You can totally put this in the oven and continue melting the marshmallow, but it's already doing a great job. Should I go for it, Gunnar?
Yeah, be careful. It's already spilling out.
I know, the marshmallow's all melty. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm.
That looks so good.
Mm-hmm. 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 If you enjoyed what you saw here today, consider being a part of our Patreon channel. Your support means the world to us and helps keep everything moving. Enjoy full tutorials, exclusive content, and one-on-one instruction from me personally, Natalie. You'll find our channel at patreon.com/artisincakes. You'll find the link down below. And of course, I'd like to take a moment to thank our patrons. Jennifer Kilpatrick, we couldn't have made this video without you. Thanks for being a Slice of Life member.